E-commerce and ERP integration enables seamless data exchange, improves business efficiency, automates processes, and provides real-time data access that businesses need to stay competitive. We are back with a new demo video where we explore how BigCommerce and Dynamics 365 Business Central integration boosts business growth by synchronizing e-commerce and ERP data seamlessly. Let's check out the demo video.
Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look how APPSeCONNECT helps to sync data between BigCommerce and Business Central. To begin with, log in to this APPSeCONNECT portal. Once we log in, it will redirect to the page where we have all the process flow present. Here you can see the package we are going to use for this demo purpose. It is already shared with our organization. Once we click this particular process flow, in the right side, all the integration points contained by this process flow will show here. Now, if I want to open this one, the sales order add integration point, I just need to click on this 3 button, and from this context menu, let's choose the edit option. This will open the process flow designer. So this is our process flow designer, where we have mapped all the information between these two applications based on the API. This is the integration point of sales order add, where we are just getting the information of the sales order from BigCommerce, and this will pass or synchronize to the Business Central side. Here you can see a mapper node where we have done all kind of mapping. Here we have a deployment option. For the deployment, we support both on-premise and hosted. If you are using the Business Central or Navision on-premise, in that case you have to choose this one. If you are using the hosted or Business Central on-cloud environment, you have to choose this one. We are compatible for both. Now moving to the next. Here in the setup connection, we have to configure your BigCommerce and Business Central account. That means you have to validate your credential. I already have my credential here. I just need to choose. If it is not available, in that case you have to set up or fill out your details regarding that particular credential. Like for BigCommerce, we will be needing the client ID secret, and for Business Central, the information, for example, the company name, user ID and details. Thereafter, once the validations are done, we are moving to the next page where you can add the lookup if it is required. Like for the taxes, for the freight charges, we can have this lookup option, which we call a value map. Anyways, for the synchronization, we have two options. Either you can sync your data automatically, otherwise you can have manual option. For the manual, you have to trigger something, and for auto mode, here we have option daily, minutely and hourly basis. Like if I put 1 minute, so data will get synchronized in every 1 minute. I don't need to trigger anything for synchronizing the data. We also support the real-time synchronization. Once it is done, thereafter I just need to click on this finish option, and thereafter the deployment will start. Once the deployment is done, it shows your process flow deployment is successfully done, and thereafter we will go with the execution. As I set this integration point in automatic mode, so I quickly go to the BigCommerce side and let's place an order, and it will automatically get synced to the Business Central. Now I have opened the BigCommerce account where I already have login with the customer, which I have synchronized from BigCommerce to Business Central side. Now I'm moving to the order page. For that, let me search an item. This item is already present in both directions. So for synchronizing any order, the customer and item must be present. We also support the guest customer scenario. Okay, so here is my item. Let me quickly open this and let's place an order for this particular item. So I'm proceeding to the checkout page. Here I'm putting all the details which are required to place an order. So I'm choosing a flat rate. Any shipping method if you have, we can map it accordingly. Thereafter, if you have any coupon code and if you want to map it, that is also applied, and that details also can be mapped. Anyways, I'm moving to the payment option. Right now this is the demo environment, so these are the options only available, but in the real world scenario might have different payment option. For example, credit card, debit card, PayPal, etc. We can have all this information, like the payment regarding that particular order, we can synchronize as well as the transaction IDs. I have chosen the cash and delivery option for now, and let me continue it. Alright, so the order has been placed here in this BigCommerce account. Now I will open our Business Central to find out the order. Here is our Business Central on-premise environment. As I mentioned, we are compatible for the on-cloud as well. Right now we have this demo ready for this Business Central on-premise, so we are working with this one. Anyways, we are going to the sales order page and let's find out the sales order which we have created in BigCommerce, and let's see whether that has synced or not. I'm finding with the customer name. Let me find the sales order. Here is the sales order which we have placed in our BigCommerce account. It has successfully synced with all the information which we have provided for this particular order. Here you can see the exact line item which I have chosen, also the charge item. It has synced as like the freight charges, which was 5, and the calculated amount is showing here. Now let me just scroll down. We have one more thing to show you. Here is the AC order header details. So this is a page part which is not inbuilt in Business Central. We have created an extension where we can store extra information which is coming from the web. So this is totally certified by Microsoft. Here you can see we are capturing the ID. So this is the exact web ID, which is the BigCommerce ID we are capturing here, just to add a duplicate check. So a duplicate check on top of this ID, so there will be no chances of duplicate scenario. If it is already present, it will not sync again. Also, the information related the shipment, payment and all details you can capture here. As this is a demo environment, so this is not a real world payment scenario happen, but in the real world you can have this information, so you can store these details as well. For the line item also, we have this number. As I mentioning, the web IDs are present, so it has synced as well. We have added only the default fields here, but any extra field if you have, like extra information or custom field in BigCommerce side and Business Central side too, and the APIs are enabled for those custom fields, in that case we also can map the information between these two applications. Business Central and BigCommerce integrations made easy with APPSeCONNECT's modern iPaaS. The Business Central and BigCommerce connector can automate critical business processes and streamline your organizational data efficiently. We hope you have found this demo video helpful. Just like Business Central, you also can connect your BigCommerce account with other ERPs, for example, SAP B1, Sage 300, Priority or Dynamics GP, etc. Also, you can synchronize your Business Central with other e-commerce platforms, for example, Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. etc. We already have all those connectors present in our website. For more details, please visit our website www.appseconnect.com. You can start your integration journey with APPSeConnect now.